Lead pass. Niederreiter bears in. He scores! Hey, hey! What do you say? Nino Niederreiter. 3-1. Carolina.
This is less about the highlight reel goal and more about the buzz that's back in town. The trade of the year, Nino Niederreiter. Power move to the inside. The captain will get an assist. Homegrown developed defenseman Brett Pesce will too. Power move. The heaviness in Nino and then the skill.